Hi, my name is Cristian Espinosa Velasco. Crime investigation. What's the crime? A bank robbery. Describe the crime scene. Two women working in a tall TV on the ground. Then one of the robbers took the bank manager and put the money in the bag. What's the evidence? They asked the pot to put the money in a bag and they ran away. Which of the suspects do you consider was Willie? The catcher because he could be testing. The robbers went, the guard went to the restroom. This audio was about two robbers who stole a bank. Then they came into to the bank with guns and they asked people to be on the ground. After that, they took the bank manager and asked him to put the money in a bag. Finally, they escaped. I think that it was a planned crime, and one of the catchers was involved because he was testing the robbers when the guard went to the restroom. Thank you so much.